got a challenge for you and for me, and it's free. I'm excited. So I decided to do this 6-week challenge free for you here on YouTube. So every week I'm going to be uploading a video for you to participate in the challenge. The only thing you got to do to enter is subscribe, and there will be a winner. There will be a winner. I'm excited. Y'all like my nails? I like them. There will be a winner. So this challenge is sodium, sugar, and sweat. All right. So the basis behind this challenge is going to be teaching you how to reduce the salty things, the sweet things, and we're going to sweat. All right. But we know we like sweet things. Sweet things. We like sweet things. All right. We just know we got to find a better way. Gotta find a better way, and I'm here to teach you a better way. All right, we like salty things. We like salty, okay? But we can't be walking around with high blood pressure and hypertension just because we like salty things. So I'm gonna teach you a better way. What, you picking up what I'm putting down? So in the 6 weeks, we're gonna go over healthier alternatives to eating sugar, healthy alternatives to having salty snacks, and how to add salt to our food. This will be really great for somebody that's like hypertensive and they're trying to find ways to cut their salt down, but it's just not working. We're going to dive into that. And one of the most favorite parts of the challenge is going to be the workouts. Okay. Can't do the pretty pump fitness without the pumped in the fitness. All right. So I'm going to be giving you a workout challenge. All right. So they'll all be home based. You don't have to worry about buying any fancy equipment or anything like that. The first week can be something like stepping it out, right? Stepping out, getting your steps up. How many steps do we need to get a day? Stepping, okay? Stepping. That could be the first challenge. Another week, it may get a little bit more difficult, maybe with some squats or something like that, but you'll complete them for every single week, and I'll give you instructions every single week, every video on how to complete that task. The objective of this is to create healthy habits, to get you learning and understanding how to have some of our favorite foods in a healthier version, how to actually get our body moving to create a healthier lifestyle. So I am like so glad that I came up with this idea for this challenge, and I'm so glad that you guys have been sending me your questions and comments and concerns so I can help you. So all you got to do to enter is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit the subscription button and hit the bell notification button so that you're aware every time I drop a video for your next challenge, okay? And there'll be a winner. There'll be a winner. I like winners. I like challenges. I like to compete. We like games. We like fun. All right, so there'll be a winner, and it's going to be a little something like, you can tag me on Instagram or on Facebook with you completing the challenge. Also, most importantly, communicate right in the comments. Tell me what you're thinking. Are you excited for this challenge? That's how you'll actually be able to win. And the winner will receive some special things, okay? Some special items sent to you in the mail. Right? Or some gift cards. You get something, okay? Bringing all that together now. But what you'll really get is great health, okay? Great wellness and a new lifestyle if you really put your mind towards it. So enter, subscribe, and start leaving your comments below. That's how you'll win, all right? I am excited to do this challenge with you guys. I cannot wait. It starts July 29th, which is a Sunday. So the video will be out before Sunday, so you know what the first challenge will be. So you can complete that challenge, and let's go. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be fun. So thank you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let me know that you're entered to win, and I'll see you guys in the next video.